printing nearly $40,000 in a single week from the gold market. Is it just pure luck, or is there a systematic formula behind it? In this video, I'm not here to flex. I am going to radically break down my exact entry positions from June 30th to July 1st. I'll show you exactly how pure technical analysis can generate consistent profits without the guesswork. Before we jump into the charts, let's establish one fundamental rule: transparency. In the trading industry, anyone can doctor a profit screenshot. But a digital track record does not lie. I am an active contributor and a full-time trader on Forex Factory under the username xauusd. Every single gold buy position that pulled in thousands of dollars this week was posted there publicly and in real time, way before the market moved. You can verify the link yourself to see that this is a mechanical, battle-tested system. Let's dissect our first major trade setup on June 30th. The gold market experienced an incredibly aggressive bearish sell-off. Many amateur retail traders panicked and started shorting right at the bottom because of FOMO, a textbook trading mistake. What did I do instead? How the price hit that major historical support zone and immediately flattened out. The moment the market gave me valid bullish reversal confirmations with volume, I scaled into layered buy positions using 0.30 to 0.50 lot sizes. When the market surged back up toward our target above 40.25, that's where we locked in the first massive wave of $23,315. Consistency isn't about inventing a new strategy every day. It's about executing the exact same edge whenever the right conditions appear. Moving into July 1st, the pattern repeated itself. The market went through a standard morning pullback, tested our psychological low, and held firm. Because the macro trend was clearly dominated by buyers, I safely built up our buy positions again. The lesson here? Be patient and let the market come to your levels. Never chase the price. Sure enough, the price skyrocketed right through the daily resistance line, netting an additional $11,286 in clean profit. Let's rewind to June 30th. Gold was under heavy distribution, dropping aggressively from its previous highs. Instead of guessing, I waited for the market to establish a structural floor. Once the price began printing rejection wicks at key historical support, I executed scale buy positions using controlled 0.30 and 0.50 lots. The market responded perfectly to this institutional demand zone. The explosive reversal upward cleared my initial targets, printing a solid $23,315 on the first live account run. Extracting 5 figures a week from the gold market isn't about having a secret indicator or a crystal ball. It is about execution discipline. Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments section below, and subscribe to the channel right now so we can continue learning and growing together.